Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, to pull this lens off, we're going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pry in here, in between there, and then the lens will come right off. To get the bulb out, you can just grab the bulb and pull it straight down. This is an SV8 bulb. So we're going to reinstall the bulb, just line it up, and push it in place. We'll take our lens, line it up in the back, and then just push it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.